Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about my design model. So like today what happened in the Nifty, so then we can have a look about the all analysis of the Nifty and Bank Nifty through the our model RKSM. Okay, just wait a minute, just I'm doing the settings. Yeah, hello everyone, good afternoon. So as today our market session has been over, so now we can have a look. We can have a look some analysis through the our RKSM model. Okay, so let me switch off all the drawing and first model. Let me first. So like this is our this that India Wix also I am just removing. Okay here. So yeah, this is our this is our Nifty chart. Okay, so as you know, if I do the some restart reset of the this is the Nifty chart. Okay, so now as you know, so we can have the different time frame here. Okay, so then you can switch whatever the time frame you want to select, and you can analyze. Okay, and you can take a overview. Okay, so here, so at the different time frame, so different time frame we can have a look the Nifty chart. Okay, and other assets, other index assets, whatever you want to select it, you can analyze. Okay, so now yeah, so suppose we can have a look about the around the 15-minute chart. Okay, so what happened today in the Nifty? Okay, see here, so like today's if you zoom it right little bit, so then you can have a look. So now like Nifty has opened at this candle, as you know, this is the opening candle. This is today's market open as a yeah, open, yeah, so open in on this candle, and after that this is the market statics. Okay, so you can have a look, market open and it is just sideways. Okay, open and sideways. So now, so my motivation here to show the capabilities of our design model. Okay, so which we have developed. Okay, here, so so now suppose I switch my model here. Okay, so yeah, you see at the different time frame you can select it. Okay, you can select any time frame. Okay, whatever you want, suppose 1 minute, yeah, if you want to see the locally in the 1 minute, right, you want to 3 minute, you want to consider 3 minute time frame chart, you can also consider the 3 minute chart. Okay, and 5 minute chart. It's up to your convenience, and it's up to your capacity, how much time you are taking to make a decision. So it's completely depend on the user side. Okay, so suppose I have developed the capability, so I can analyze the I can make a decision within the 1 minute. So then I am very comfortable with that 1 minute time frame. Okay, when the market is running, so that I can take the decision, quick decision, and then make I'll go ahead. Okay, with my own decision. So now see, like is totally completely totally is depend on the user side who's yeah. So now suppose we can have a look on the 15-minute chart. I want to show the at the 15-minute chart about the model, my model. Okay, first have a look in the one hour chart. Okay, so this is the 1 hour chart of the Nifty, right? So this is, you can see, you can have a look, this is the 1 hour chart. Okay, so now suppose 1 hour chart, though, as you know, this is the like 1 hour Nifty chart. So you see, suppose I switch off the my model, design model. Okay, you can have a look, see here. So this is the Nifty chart, right? So as yeah, this is the hourly chart. Okay, one hour time frame chart we have selected here. So you see today the candle, so look like this is the like hammer candle, right? So these are different. So and one more thing, I'll tell you later. Okay, first you see the one big candle, this look like this candle, and the market goes the sideways, like if you see the right triangle like here. So and if you switch our model here, you see here, and yeah, you can have a look the our model, our design model. So our design model is guide is a very perfect way, you can see, and it is having the projecting points, like we call the projection point. This is the these are projector projecting points, right, projecting sources. So you see this point and you see this point, right? So these are the different projecting points, and you say as market move, so that previous this previous projection point will go vanish, right? So and latest one will form. Okay, so like so this is the overview of 1 hour time frame. Like the market is coming down, market is falling, then the market has move up from this candle, right, on the third of June, right, from here. So after that market is the uptrend side. Okay, in the uptrend, you see, if you are following our model, right, from the third onwards, so 3rd June onwards, so it is having, suppose if you are playing with the positional entry, right, so then you can have a look here. So then our this is the sourcing point, and another most important point, our model give you the some indication, like you see the green and red, some symbols are red, green, and that green you see here. So our, if you miss this point, right, so then this is the exact point of reversal point. Okay, so then if you miss that entry, then other our model will suggest you where you need to enter into the market, right? So this is the our design model. Okay, so and yeah, so the you see market in uptrending, then our model is giving you this some suggestion where you need to enter. It's up to completely, it's up to your user. So I'm just analyzing, I'm just demonstrating my model which we have developed. Okay, so that is the yeah, so all the decision by whatever decision you are making, that is completely on users risk. Okay, so our design model suggesting whatever we, and one more important point here. So this is the 1 minute 1 hour chart, time frame chart we can have a look. So then we can have the 15-minute. Okay, so 15-minute you see here. So as you know, if what see, this is our model, so this is the chart. If you switch on our model, you don't need to do anything, just click on our one click. Okay, so it will tell you the all statics. So see previous one at the 1 hour time chart, because that is the time frame is very big, right? So then one that's what time frame very big mean, you need to have the bigger, more number of days to analyze the chart, right? So then you can have a look the, see exactly reversal can our model, it will show you the reversal, exactly reversal points. Okay, on the chart. So here you can see the red signal and some rotating signal. So if you switch off the 15-minute chart, right, so then you can have a look, yeah. So you see here, so as the this 15-minute Nifty chart, so you see our the market is falling, then market is going up, right? So upside. So then you can see different candle. So you see different candle also indication about the it will indicate you to the next whatever the next move is coming. Okay, so you see where, yeah, so you see if, yeah, here, and these are, you see the different entry point indication also it's shown our model, right? So then you see you see here, and yeah, so and if you expanded a little market, right, so then whatever the I want to show here the very special feature of the our model. So let me so just today we can look for the current market, I mean today's market. You see our market at the, if you are in the 50, you are if you are analyzing on 15-minute time frame chart, you see here that is the our initial candle, opening candle, right? So then after that you see at the initial, at the second candle, our model has suggested to you that the projecting, okay? So after that is projecting here first candle, so you see the make high, right? So that is the our you see here completely projecting, right? After that is not suggesting, right, up to here. So market made this like first open and it start moving up, right? It's reach up to 20,000 25,165, right? So exact these numbers, this number also, right? So and one more important point, that all you see these the lines, these are our targets, okay? Target and whatever the target and some support and that resistance level. So here we don't require to draw anything, just everything is automated, okay? So everything will be drawn by one click, okay? You see here market has gone, and after that as market here market is here, then you see the another projecting source point has been made here. So you see here, if you make a short, if you make if you short here, so then you see at the end of the day, right? So is the sorting, right? But that, and also one more important today's market is very range bound, right? If you look into the range bound, mean suppose if you leave one candle, right? So then if you see that see here all market today's it's within the one candle, right? See here. So but you need to leave the one first two candle, right? First two candle. So suppose if you yeah, if you leave to two candle, you see the market only 65 point bound, range bound. So entire day here there was no momentum in the market today, only that so yeah, so only the market today for the options writer, right? So mostly, so yeah. So see, this is no, I don't want to do discuss, I want discussing my demonstrating my model, okay? So now suppose if you want to have a look the 5 minutes chart, you can have a look the more clarity, right? So as you know, overview you have taken at the you can make the overview at the more the bigger time frame. So then based on that you need to look the locally mean lower time frame. So then you can have the better yeah. So here as market open, you see this projecting points. Yeah, these are the very important, and that is a very advanced feature in our system, okay? It will, and the sensitivity of this point, it can be changed. We have assigned one parameter, you have the more number of mean you can analyze more sensitive, is completely based on the user, how much time a user taking to make a decision, okay? So if you have the more data, it will take more time to analyze and make final decision, right? So it's completely depend on the user. Suppose you are making quick decisions, so then you can have the more data, you can analyze it, and your accuracy will be high, right? It's completely user understanding. So yeah, so this is the right point, right? After the market has started going up from here, so then also our model is indicating, right? After that he has suggested, market has suggested this one, right? So this is the projecting point. Yeah, okay. After that you see this is some signal of the sorting signal, and so after that so after market are falling, but that was very few, very less point. These are range bound market today, okay? So this is the so that is the our model, which basically our model is guiding in very proper way, okay? So if you follow the our model, and you have the the chance of the getting hit the SL is very less. So yeah, so this is the for the Nifty chart, okay, today. And you see today's market is showing the variation in nature, right? So completely variation in nature, okay? So let's see what happened tomorrow, okay, in the market when market opened, okay? So see that for the that's it for the Nifty, and let's we can move the another bank Nifty chart. As you know, bank Nifty all and Nifty are mostly the behave to similar behavior, okay, both of so suppose I switch off the this our design model, you see here. So market, so I'm just removing here, so whatever the drawing is here. So this is the Nifty chart, okay? So if I switch off the our model, you see today's market, first you can have a look the bigger time frame, it's completely up to you, okay? first you need to look into the bigger time frame, then make a view, make your view, right? After that you can switch on 15 minutes and you can have a look in the more detail for the intraday purpose if you are looking for, right? You see here at the 15-minute time frame chart, market has opened with very big candle, right? So how much it's a very big candle. After the market is falling down, right? So our suggesting point as market open is falling, right? So then our point is projection, projection show, then it's showed the for the uptrend. So then up to market has moved here. After that also, that our I think yeah, our projecting point is here, so that also is suggesting, right? So after that, it's not even that point is not see, market has not broke this level, right? Hasn't, right? See after that, so see the this the capability of our design model. If see, if SL hit, if our model, if you make any entry and SL hit, that is very very small SL, okay? So you will not have the very big SL in when you are using our design model, okay? So here, so after that, whatever these source points, these are the we just call these the entry points, okay? This is the entry point. So as you know, these entry points, the exact point of reversal you can capture, you can use those, right? So that is the capabilities of our model, right? So you see here, and if you see, the market also has the range bound out today, okay? From the morning onward, there is no big move. So if you can measure here, so then we can have this tool, so we can you to see what is the range bound, right? See the market is here, but that is very big point, right? So around 250 points is good, right? You can capture it. So and our model is suggesting, right? You can capture it very easily with the help of our design model. You see first entry, then entry, this entry, these are entry. So and if you use these, so opportunities are one place, two, 3, 4. So if you look into these 4 opportunity today's market, then if you make any decision to enter here, so there is no possibility to SL hit here, okay? So that is the beauty of our design model, okay? So now see, so if I switch in the 5 minutes chart, then you can have a look in the more detail, right? So see here in the 5-minute chart also, so I just drawn here. So as the similar way, you can have the more clear view for the locally if you are seeing, analyzing, right? So these are the point of this is projecting point. Yeah, he first here, that if you make here, then it is reach up to here, that point. After that, this one up to here, these are the 100, almost 100 points if you measure here, right? Here. So see, and if you make, so because today's market is a bearishness, to the complete whole the day market show the bearishness in the nature, okay? So that if you know the nature of the market today, then that overview is the bearish. So then why are then your overall view should be whatever the anti you are thinking for the the short side, okay? So that is the view, so that is the different thing, but I'm just demonstrating about my model, what are the we have design model, okay? So the capability of the model is very very high, and the conversion rate of the our design model is very high. And another also, you can see our design model, it will indicate you see, I'm showing the clear picture in the 1 minute. You see here very clear picture, you see here at the 1 minute. So at the last, what have market has done, okay? So you see the our resourcing point, market is right. So then you see, so and one more thing, some pop-up, if more pop-up is our model is giving me, it's a warning sign, it's not an entry sign, it's a warning sign. You should wait, okay? Then it will give you the confirmatory, okay? So you see here our point, so suppose confirmatory it was here, but our and advanced feature is suggesting entry here, okay? If you then our see, there is I'm just demonstrating about my model capacity, okay? So suppose our model is showing the entry should be here, right? So but our advanced feature of the design model entry is showing is here. So suppose if you enter here, the SL will be very high, very small SL, and this is the confirmation entry. Confirmation mean is a confirm entry. Okay, our model has showed here. So this, but if you following the that's our design this model, so without advanced features, so then it will show you the entry here, then it will give the some point you can enter, then that target also automatically has been drawn. So first if you enter from here, the target should be here, right? So then you can capture here up to here, so whatever point here. So because this is a range bound, so our model is work for the very small, to capture very small point also and very big point. If you are analyzing the if you are taking the view on the bigger time frame, then you can have the more bigger picture. So here, so at you see here, so and a market has gone up to here, this is the second level, right? So then you can trail, right? So up to you can capture. After that our model has indicated right here the point of projected point. So then again it shows, but anti shows here, but our advanced feature of the model is showed and is here. So then it is going down, right? So you can have a look the capacity of the our model. Okay, so and this our model is design, it is work for the all the time frame. Okay, so suppose these are the two index. I want to show the another. Suppose today we can see the Indus Bank. Okay, so if you look, I just switch off the my model. Okay, so you can see that this is the today's Indus Bank, this is the stock also we can analyze, okay, with the help of our design model. So here, so suppose this is the design model, this is the Indus chart. Okay, if you switch on our design model, you see here today's if you want to see the today what happened with the this here, right? So here, so Indus Bank, if you are analyzing the Indus Bank, right? So then with the help of our design model, you see the market has opened from here, it's gone. After that our the point, that is the high, today's high market has made here. After that our projected point is showing here, so then you can short it here. So then and you see here, so what are the statics, right? These are the resourcing point, you can capture it. Okay, so that is the very advanced feature in our system. So yeah, so again another, and you can have a look in the 5-minute chart also, if you are making a playing a very short time, right? You see another, so if market is open here, this open is here, right? So then you see our market is open here, so then our model here, so that is the point of reversal. This candle is so our model shows that this is the candle for the point of reversal, right? So this candle, so then other point resources point is here, it's projecting point basically, you see here. So up to here how much point you can capture, right, in the any stock chart also. So here, so yeah, see, and these are the very important feature. And you see the our advanced feature is showing the entry here, but advanced and the our design system for the safest place, for the safe user, right? Safe so then it's so indicating here. So then if you make here, so these point basically for the, if you are expert, then you don't want to miss any point to capture. Okay, then we can have you can use our this advanced feature. Otherwise for the safe user side, you need to follow the our model indication. So as you know, our model getting in giving the indication like this, like this is a pop-up, right? So this pop-up short side, right? Short side. So suppose you the initially the short sighting yeah, he point is here, so but our model is showing here, right? So for the safe players, right? So you enter here up to right up to target also is here, right? So target are drawing, right? So we can have target here. So like first target is small, then we can trail, right? So another target is big, right here, but you cannot, right? So you need to trail your stop loss, right? So then you see, so but you have entered, you capture up to here this, so right. Yeah, so but target, you see our target was this, but here you come here, the market is coming here, right? So then, so if you enter here, it will not hit your like entire day. So suppose if you enter here, it will not hit entire day your SL, right? SL will be the same candle or the previous candle, mean is linear Y. Okay, so you see, if you our model is giving entry first is here, so then for the entire day it will the SL will not be hit. Okay, so that is the capability of that our design model. Okay, so that's it to show about, so to you all my model capacity. Okay, capability. Yeah, so yeah, that's it today for the today. So suppose I switch for another like so basically you can use any index charge, anything. For the Sensex also you can use, right? So this one, you see here, market has opened here today on this candle, right? So then you see here, you see target also drawing automatically this the lines. Okay, so now suppose market has opened, then it's showing here, there is, you see the signal here. So this already indicating, you will, this candle is already indicating mean reversal will come, right? So the market will make yeah, you see this candle is the earlier early indication. So then after that this candle, right? So see the candle, and so because the we want to play on the safe side, right? So that's what yeah, so you see, you make entry here up to you can capture this point, right? So then another point, so as I told you, the advanced feature is the projecting point. So that is the main projecting point, that these are the main projecting points. So this entry is, so you can also make if you are playing for the small if you are playing for the to capture for the small numbers, right? So small points, so as you know, if you want to capture a small point, the capital requirement is high, right? Very high. So because yeah, so if you want to capture more points, then the capital requirement is high to get our whatever benefit we profit we want to book. Okay, as per this is the basically is not part of here. So that is the part of the trade management, and yeah, so how much bounty you want to capture and how much capital is required to capture those points, right? That is a different scenario. This completely, that is the different trade management system. So you see the see here, yeah, so here, so similar way you can use any chart to you can use our model to analyze any chart. So it can be work on the live market, yeah, you can use the at the live markets and then make your decision in the, to get more efficient accurate way. Okay, and then the cap, yeah, so that's it to, yeah, if you have any query related to my model, if you want to use it, right? So that you need to contact me through the so mail is displaying here, right? And mail also is mentioned here. So guys, thank you for listening to me, and next I will generally I demonstrate different topics, right? So to and how our model is guiding and assisting the user, right, in a very efficient way. So suppose yeah, so if I continue, then it will be very big video, right? I don't want to be a big long video. So yeah, so see you guys. So then if you have any query, just write to me. So my mail ID is mentioned here. Okay, see you, bye, see you till next.